Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the file and opening the right menu. Make sure your custom audio is MP3 or M4A and saved in the notifications folder. This is why the system will list it. Now unlock the phone and go straight to settings. Once in settings, tap sound and vibration. This is the entry point. You don't need extra apps. The OS reads the notifications folder directly, so transfer files first if needed and then proceed to the tone picker. You are now inside sound and vibration and ready to choose. Tap notification tone or default notification sound. The list shows built-in sounds first and any valid files from notifications folder after. Once you find your file, tap it to preview. This helps you verify length and volume. When it sounds right, press apply or save so the change takes effect across apps that use the default notification sound. If you don't see your file, go back and confirm it's in notifications. Finish by testing the new tone. Send yourself a message or trigger a notification to make sure it plays. If you don't hear it, first check Do Not Disturb and volume levels. Then reboot the phone because the system sometimes needs a restart to index new files. If that fails, confirm the file sits in the internal notifications folder, not a subfolder, and is MP3 or M4A. Move it there via Files app, then repeat the selection. This single method reliably changes Vivo notification sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.